PowerPoint Chapter 4. I'm going to try to do this live in class again and hopefully do a better job. We're going to record this today in class, even those people talking, and I have no way to cut that audio out because I'm not that good of a video editor yet. Once we're done, I will save it and put it in Blackboard, and if you need to revisit this assignment, you're welcome to. This time it says Start PowerPoint, Download and Open. It says nothing about saving, but we're going to. I'm going to go File. I'm going to go Save As, and I'm going to go back into my PPT folder. I am going to put my name in the front, Lewis Davis Capital, because I want to make sure that I upload the right file. So mental note, I'm going to be uploading Lewis Daphne and moving from there. There were several files. There were about 8 files with 6 pictures that came with the download. Hopefully you have all those and the instructions. Step number 2, on slide 1, this is slide 1 right here, insert the downloaded picture Exploring Greater Oceans JPEG 1. All right, so I'm going to click here in the picture file and I'm going to hit delete because that's not the picture I want. It wants you to get it in the frame. If you don't delete that picture to get into this little icon, my IT lab will not see it. So let's see if we can help my IT lab out and click that picture. Mine happens to be on my desktop. I know you guys are saving to your pen drives, so you're probably going to want to go to your pen drive. And then mine's in PPT4. And here I know that this is my JPEG Ocean 1 file right here at the top. And I'm going to double click it and it put a dolphin there. Change the title placeholder to Our Fragile Oceans. So this is our title right here. I'm going to go ahead and copy paste this. Don't grab the period at the end. It even tells you not to grab the period. Okay, and I'll be right there. I'm going to go Control C. I'm going to go in Classic Photo Albums and highlight that. I'm going to go Control V and I'm going to save. And don't include the period, and that's the end of slide 2. Actually, slide 1, step 2. And now we're going to go on to step 3. Thank you for all those teammates that were helping other teammates. I appreciate that. On slide 2, so we're going to go down here to this, kind of looks like a footstep, but it's actually sand dunes. Insert the downloaded greater picture. Okay, so again, you want to click the picture that's there. You want to delete it. That gives us the icon to go search our pen drives for these. So we're going to click here. And I'm going to my desktop. You're going to your pen drive. And we're going into PowerPoint folder 4. And then we're looking for the ocean picture number 2. Look at the end of these names. These names are all the same except for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 at the end of your file name. So if your files are being covered up, come up here by your name and your date modified, get your crosshairs with your mouse and move it over so you can see the names of those pictures. We want number 2. All right. And then in number 2, in the placeholder, insert the caption, whales are amazing creatures. So that's going to go right here. I'm going to click this, whales are amazing creatures, but this time it's telling me to include the period. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to highlight all this gobbledygook text that's here. I'm going to go Control V and replace it. Whales are amazing creatures. And that's the end of step 3. We're going to go on to step 4. In step 4, it asks us to insert a new slide with a panorama layout, but they want it, insert a new slide 3. So you come over here in your thumbnails to the left is slide 1, then there's slide 2, and you click in between slide 2 and 3 to be able to insert a new slide in the number 3 slot. What you want is that red line in between the 2 slides on your thumbnails. And then we're going to come up to new slide. You can go to insert new slide or you can go to the home tab and click new slide. And the one it's asking us for is picture and add the caption panorama layout. So panorama layout. Panorama layout is way down here at the bottom. So that's the slide we want to insert. We click that once, and it inserts in the slide 3 position, and we want to add the caption, and that's down below. Colorful fish swim together. Guys, you know what? Just jump ahead. If you're behind, that's okay. This one, doing it in a different order doesn't matter. So we're gonna add colorful fish swim together, and we're gonna actually include the period in slide 4. Okay. And then we're going to insert a picture. So again, here in the tap the icon, we're going to go for picture 3. And you'll see Windows knows now, Windows PowerPoint knows you want to go grab those same pictures. So it's already giving us that, that file location. But if it doesn't for you, then you can browse to your pen drive and go find picture number 3. So the ocean picture number 3 is there. We finished colorful swim together. And that's the end of step 4. How you doing, team?